DIY battery test. Basically, this is small pieces of graphite from a number 2 pencil, or graphite and clay it is, with magnesium ribbon just held together by a little piece of stranded copper. The electrolyte solution I'm using is about 8 parts water, 4 parts hydrogen peroxide, and about 2 parts hydrochloric acid. And I'm hoping that it doesn't dissolve. I haven't checked it yet, the magnesium, too much. No, it's not too bad, actually. And then I have a larger cell. We'll figure out what kind of amperage this is given and take it from there. First I'm going to try voltage. Don't think I'm going to get more than 20 volts. Probably be lucky to get like 10 or something. Alright. Getting 14, almost 14.5 volts. It's not too bad. It's obviously changing. And I'm just going to do straight up amps. Okay. Now that I know I'm not getting a ridiculous amount of amps. Getting about 40 milliamps with this mixture, which actually is a lot less than I anticipated. I thought it would be considerably more. However, I'm not using a terrible lot of acid either. Just a little rundown of what I got going on here. BlackBerry to supply music to an amp that I made a while ago. It's a stereo LM1875 gain clone. Normally I have this 40 volt transformer running it, but I just have some alligator clips on the LEDs. Not on the LEDs, on the diodes for the rectifier. As you can see, it's not plugged in. And I have this full 14 cell battery, magnesium and graphite, which I'm expecting will drive this thing, although it requires a lot of amps, so I have also an amp meter.
You raise your sticks and cry and I fall.
There you go.
Oh my friend, how did you come to trade the fiddle for the drum?
I'm estimating this to be a little over 20 volts, although I'm not checking it at the
You
moment.
say I have turned.
Let's see how loud we can get it. Find something a little it'll probably get distorted when I turn it up, but I got a trick up my sleeve. It's trying to push more than the battery can handle. You can hear it cutting out. We're going to add a little bit of this and see what happens. That's about all I'm getting out of it. It's not too bad, actually. Alright. Oh, wrong one. Oh. Ah, we're losing it. The magnesium's all burning up. That's it, man. She's almost dead. We're no longer making a connection.